Dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to complete an engineering drawing from start to end. In this video we are going to draw this figure. So our first question is, draw to full size the following orthographic views of the solids shown in figure 1 using AutoCAD. Use first angle projection. So the orthographic views are the front view looking in the direction of arrow X, side view looking in the direction of arrow Y, and the last one, the top view is projected from view A, that is from the front view. So your front view should be like this, and your side view should be like this, and your top view should be projected like this. So when you get this kind of figure, first of all you will have to draw it on a paper as a rough sketch. In that way you will understand the final front, side and top view. Based on that you can start sketching in AutoCAD. So now I am going to do the rough sketch, but remember that I am not going to mark any dimension on the rough sketch. I just want to have the basic shape and the basic features. First of all, I will draw the front view, but remember that you have to draw feature by feature. First of all, I will draw this rectangular piece, and then I will draw the side view of that rectangular piece, and then the top view. So do not complete all the features in front view and then go to side view. So let's draw the front view, side view and top view feature by feature. Now we have completed the basic shape, and then we need to add these 4 radius. So your shape should look like this at the edge. So I will erase other things. Side view you don't see those curves, and also in the top view also you don't see those curves. Next, we need to add these 4 holes. So the larger circle is diameter 10 and the depth is 5 millimeter, and the middle, the small circle is diameter 5 and it's through hole, and there are 4 holes like this. Next, you need to project these in the side view. In the side view you will see this as a hidden feature, right? So I'll draw as a solid line, but when it comes to the AutoCAD it should be a dash line. So in the top view also you will see like this. Next, we need to draw this cylindrical section. So the diameter is like 50, and when you look at this from the x direction, look like this. Then there is a hole inside, diameter 18, it's true hole. Same hole you can see from the top view, and it's a hidden feature like this. So since it is through wall, it should like this. So now we have completed this rectangular feature and 4 holes, and then this cylindrical section, and then we need to draw this half cylinder. So in the front view you should see this surface and this area. So in the front view you should see like this, and in the side view look like this. Since this surface is same, so this one here and here, so you don't see any line here like this. In the top view you will see like this, and in the middle you see like this. So in the front view there is a small correction. The inside circle look like this. So let me erase this. Right. In the side view, this one should be dash line, like this. Next we need to draw this feature here. So that one I will first draw in the top view and then draw the front view and the side views. So since this one is the same surface, you don't see any line here. And then in the front view it should like this. And you have a hole this. In the side view it look like this. The middle you have a hole like this. Right. So I think we have completely drawn all the features. We are not going to put any dimension. Now we can start drawing using AutoCAD.